Oh yeah, she fired up after negative temps all day. I did have the block heater plugged in. I don't know if it works, but she's ready for battle. We're supposed to get up to 18 inches or so, so we'll see. See if she makes it through without breaking nothing. It's no highway clear like the six-wheeler, but for doing laps, it's not bad. All right, it's the next morning. Let's see if she starts. I'm gonna have to plug the dump truck in because definitely gonna need that to really push some stuff back. There's a lot of snow. But we'll get it opened up. Oh, guess that seal ain't doing so hot, huh? Let's deal with that. Whew, buried. This is just the grid heater. Must not work off the ignition anymore.